Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you for watching. Now, I have recently bought 6 cars from the vending machine video. If you can view my previous video, I'll put a link down below. And I have opened 2 of them and I'm going to open a third one. 3 of them I'm not going to open, and that is the Magnus Walker 944, the yellow Dodge Challenger SRT, and the blue Audi Avant RS2. If I find another RS2, maybe I'll open it. Now, why don't I do an unboxing of these 2 cars? Because this is I have no words for it. It's a Mercedes W124 and it is the best car ever, and I couldn't wait. I opened it immediately when I bought it. In black with a grey interior. You can see the dashboard, the steering wheel, seats. W124, the best Mercedes ever built. Now let's have a look at it. Yes. Now, if I compare it with the other black Mercedes from Hot Wheels, let me just fetch it. This is from the premium line, the classics, modern classics. This is the 280 SEL. Two black Mercedes. Wow. I wonder when they are going to do the W123. Next is this Raijin Express. Raijin Express is a Japanese box truck, and they decorate the truck heavily with neon lights and chromes and paintings. And funnily, 3 of Japanese features is painted on this truck. Can you see it? Tsunami, which kills a lot of people. Mount Fuji, the snow-capped mountain, and sakura flowers. Why they put a disaster, mountain and flowers, I do not know, but the chrome is very shining, it's glittering, it's blinding me, blinding you all viewers. The entire car is plastic and the base is diecast. Okay, next is this Mazda RX-3, which I'm going to open, and I'm going to give it grills and lights and the rear lights. So bear with me. Okay, the cut is very nice. Put it here. We will need to do front, rear, and this bit here. So before I do any modification, orange, red, silver, and black. And let's start. Let's see. Supposed to be black. This is the front. Before I started, you couldn't see anything. Where is the light? Where is the grill? So let's draw using the thin black permanent marker. Now this is going to take a while. If you can't wait, you can just fast forward. At least now I have the outline. Then I start to draw the rest. Of the grill. I need silver. Just dot it. Make sure to get the side of the headlights as well. It's starting to look good. Oops. I have smeared some here, so we just scrape it off. Lightly. Okay. Now orange. Where do we put orange? Here. Signal. Next is the rear of the car. Now the entire thing is black. This is black. Gently Now the other side. This is too much work. Okay, then we use orange again for the first light, and red color for the second light. And the rest. We are not finished. We have this thing here, which has to be black. I don't know what you call this. What is it for? Also, I do not know. They also have this in the Mazda RX-7. Some sort of a ventilation. But the engine is not at the back. Why do they need ventilation here? Some Mazda RX-3 expert can explain. Another thing that is black is this part here. Which we will do now. Too much work. This pillar is also black. Up until here. Careful not to get the marker on the plastic window. That's why I use the finest marker I can find ever. So this is the detail that I have done. This is without the detail. Focus. Without detail. With detail. Rear lights. Front. Yes. So without bothering you further, I will do the other side offline, and you can see the difference. Without window black marking, with window black marking. So I hope you like this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.